Yeah, dear friends, you are welcome to lesson 3 of our online course. For this demonstration, we will look at how to start the process of creating a course on the MOODLE platform. So we'll look at how to add a course and set up its parameters. That's all that we want to do. We'll not add any flash. So once you come into MOODLE and you log in, you see your name, your picture. You scroll down in the navigation pane, you see dashboard, side pages, then courses. You click on courses. Don't click to expand it. You click on courses and you'll be taken to this page where you can even go into different faculties to locate a course. All the faculties are now loaded here, so you can click on view more and do that. But for this demonstration, when you click on courses, you are supposed to say add a new course. If you are not able to say the meaning, you don't have the role of a course creator or a course manager, so you have to alert us so that will give you that role and you will be able to add a new course. So I'll start, click on it. Then this how we'll start. Course full name is a course title, but as a rule of thumb, we've decided that you prefix the course title by the course code. So for this demonstration, let's assume I have this course code MAB space 442 column, then the title mass methods. Okay, then the course short name in our case is the course code. So in this case MAB 442. Then you come to the course category. Now if you want to know about a field and you're having a problem or you don't understand, you say some question mark to each field. So for this, if I click on it, I'll have a pop-up and to give you a short description. So the short name of this course displayed now, blah blah blah. So I close it. Then course category, by default you have faculty of Ghanaian language. So you click and pull down and locate your faculty and department. So in this case, like if you come to faculty of science, you have ICT MOODLE, then faculty of science chemistry. Let me put this one in IED. Okay, let me put it in training courses, and there's no department under that. It's just like faculty. Is this course to be visible? Yes, sure. And you realize that because I'm creating this particular course on 30th January, that's the course start date. It will show like that. With UW, we don't have any course ID number. So if you want to know about what course ID number is, you click on it. It gives you the ID number of a course is only used when matching the course against external system, blah blah. You can read that. Now you come to the description section and the course summary. This is where you give a brief description about the course, and you can even add your picture. So let me just copy from one of the courses. Let me just search it. Let me search EDI 502. Okay, let me enter, search it. So this, the course description, that's what goes into that field. So I can even copy here, this one here, and just come back to the description, or you type it we'll learn how to copy from Word and how to manage it on MOODLE. So you can tell this course is for blah blah blah. You type it here and the likes. If you have some course summary files, you can upload it here. Then the course format by default, you have weekly format, we have other single activity format, we don't use social format, topics format, and we recommend topics format so that you have topic 1, topic 2 and the likes. Number of section talks about the number of topics you're going to teach for a semester. By default it is 10. You can come back here at any time and change this, which I'll show right now. So let's assume I increase it to 14. Yeah, we'll come back here briefly. Hidden sections are shown in collapse form. Hidden sections are completely invisible, so by default leave it in collapse form. Then the layout, show all section on one page, that's the default one. You can show one section per page. Then appearance, you have force language. Do not force any language. You have English, but don't force English language. News items to show, by default is 5. If you make it 0, then if there's any news item, it will not be shown at the course page. Show grade book to student. Yes, all graded activities will go into the grade book and students are supposed to see their marks. If you select no, then they will not see it, and to be part of their course page, that's the block. Show activity report, no. If you want them to see their activity report, then you pick yes. File upload, maximum upload size is 50 megabyte. You can change it, you have 200 megabyte. It depends on the type of course you are teaching. The groupings at the certain level, don't group, because if you have an activity and you want to make learners be in group, you can do that. Group mode, no group. But let me just explain briefly. Separate groups, visible group, you can learn it from the question mark also. Separate groups means that the groups that you create, when group B is working, group A2 is working, group B members cannot see what group A members are doing. But if it is visible groups, what group A is doing, group B members can also see, and vice versa. Then don't force group mode. If you force it at the setting of the course level, you can never set any group again in any activity. Default grouping, none. Okay, then role naming. What is your word for manager, course creator, and the likes? But we'll concentrate on your word for teacher. If you want a teacher to show to your name, then you leave this place blank. But if you want lecturer, then you go there, lecturer, type it. Then we have others also, word for student and the likes. Then tags, you want to tag this, or you can just, let me say MAB44 to enter. You have this. It's just like the one that you had with your profile, where your interest you can tag, so that anybody who type something at the tax level and it is in the system, it will pop up. If you are done, if you click on save and return, then you must go and check where the course is created, your faculty and the department. But if you click on save and display, it takes you directly to the course page that you have set. Now, before even you do that, some of you will go directly. You can proceed to enroll users, and if I don't want to enroll any user manually into the course, I'll just click on proceed to course content. Yeah, so that's what you have. You have the news forum. We'll come back to that. Topic 1, topic 2, up to topic 14. So let's assume you want to reduce it. You are working, you go back to edit setting in the administration block, click on edit setting, then go to course format. At the course format, you can now reduce it. You know that maybe you want to teach 8 topics. Then you are done, you come back here, save and display. I hope you can now start to set up a course on the MOODLE platform. Thank you for going through this short presentation.